Welcome to a video by Abron. This is Mayo trolley, which has a size is this one is about 14 inches. This one is 14 inches. This is 14 inches by 18 inches. This is 18 inches. This one is 18 inches by 14 inches. We have got the 22 inches also, bigger one also. This is a tray, stainless steel heavy tray. One frame is there. And it reaches you have to assemble this pillar. This pillar is also separatable from here. It has two screws on both the sides and two screws for the center pillar. It can be lifted up and down. There is a spring here. It does not go, and it can be lifted up and then you can tighten it. These are all wheels. Two wheels are lockable. You can lock it so that on this side also there is one lock, so it does not move. These pillars have screws which is having special washer here. When you tighten it, this becomes very tight. It does not loose after that. There are two pillars, two screws for the bottom and two for this pillar also. And we are sending these 4 trolleys, and so we are sending one set of keys to set it aside. Please assemble this pillar. You have to assemble so that it goes properly here, and two assembly you have to do it yourself. This is a foldable system. Once it is tight, then it does not come out easily. You can lift it on the top. You can as per convenience, you can put it on this side also. We have done it the other way, and so that it does not. And please visit the website and share the videos. Our email is abron01@gmail.com and info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com, and WhatsApp number is 9992222049, and number is 9416020018. Please like the videos, share the videos, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.